Hey, Nomadic Weather Bear here, and we are at the entrance to Death Valley National Park. Here's the sign. There were ways to go to get to the visitor center, Furnace Creek. We're still, I think, at a couple thousand feet above sea level. Death Valley is below sea level. There's Connie. Hey! It's not too hot, 73 degrees, so it's a good time to come here. Death Valley. Dun, dun, dun. Want to take a bite? All right. So we're going to continue on to the park. This car's coming. High rate of speed. 2 trucks too. That's interesting.
What? No more toilet tracks?
You can have music playing in the background.
Log outfit signal stored.
Probably gonna lose the signal even on the Sirius. Or would you rather have silence? It's pretty.
It is.
We should start dropping now.
Yes. My ears just popped.
Okay.
Yeah. Like big anthill. Wow, what's that? That's pretty. Sure it is. Let's see if I can get some decent pictures. Oh, yes.
I got 13 miles to get to Furnace Creek.
And stovepipe.
And Stovepipe.
That's so funny.
Up to 77. Oh no, we're going to die. Pay entrance fee. All vehicles must display a valid pass. Information kiosk. Boy, look at that. It does look like death. We're not even in the actual Death Valley.
Death part, yeah. We're not even in the valley. Wonder how they determined where the death part came in.
I don't know. I'm not sure if we're supposed to pay here or not. There were signs indicating it, but I'm not.
Yeah.
Maybe this is where you're supposed to go in. Usually you drive through these
Yeah,
things.
there's usually a ranger. That doesn't look. That looks
Well, I'm going to see what it is. Not today.
You said extreme.
Not today. No, that's for the summer.
Oh.
That's just the sign that's always there. Mid-90s, I wouldn't consider extreme heat. Maybe for the tourists from the north. See, we're only down to 2,000 now. Wow. So we got 2,000 feet to drop. Dante's View. Wonder what that is. It's a dirt road. Better be a hell of a view for 13 miles on a dirt road.
That's great.
Sure is. See, that's the valley down there. Road work.
Maybe it's the pothole patrol.
Pothole patrol.
I've seen their work before.
That's a good bike ride. One lane road ahead. That's never good. Must be doing that one where they only let a certain amount of people on it at the. They got a stoplight up here. The little temporary stoplights they put up. I don't think you got gobs of traffic over right now.
Doesn't look good.
Although we do have a red light. Oh, red light in the middle of nowhere.
Tax dollars at work.
Yeah, I guess. Stop here on red. I'm not going to stop there. I wouldn't be able to get back on the road.
Yeah.
And pause. Construction zone.
That's pretty.
Yeah.
but
It
it
just
defaults.
I know to the why it doesn't default to widescreen HD. I have no idea in 2024. Nobody takes pictures in whatever that other ratio is, 4:3. You know, that was the standard for decades, though. I guess televisions, everything. Now we're going down. We're going down. Boy, look at that. Plus, it's cool. Just the sun just really
Oh yeah.
reflects off of that. Wow, look at those colors.
You can see how it forced itself up.
Bunny Mule Team Canyon. Ah, dang it, we didn't bring the mules.
Aw, yeah, we left them. Darn it.
That's
Well,
the
they're
entrance right there.
nibbling.
Wow, that looked like a 20-mule canyon. I guess you gotta bring that many mules so you don't starve to death at least. Just, you know, in case.
Yeah, but they gotta eat too.
Well, that's too bad.
Smarty.
I'm sure I haven't seen speed limit sign. I think it's 65 here.
Yeah,
Or my laser keeps going off. I'm not sure why it keeps doing that. There's these places we could stop on the way back. It's pretty crowded there. Wow, look at all the people out there.
wow.
We'll stop there on the way back from the main visitor center.
Those are tour buses.
Wow, that's a little bit of climb. Sound like a plan.
It does.
Something keeps setting my laser off. Maybe there's a military experiments going on. We don't know where.
The rock road.
Not that far from Area 51 still.
Could be alien interference.
Could be.
You know how the grays are.
They do. Pesky grays, I call them. Just the greens are fine. They're just
Well, they're the boss.
they're easy going. Grays are much more militant. They're not like the lizards. But yeah,
Well, that's true. The
lizards are like Hitler.
Yeah, the lizard people are bad.
Ding. Finally dropped the laser. Yeah, I wouldn't want to be stuck out here in the summer. You could just tell by looking at it how fast you wouldn't survive.
No.
There's no place to hide from the sun
Or the rattlesnakes.
or the rabbit.
Yeah, there's probably been an alien land or something.
Well, there could be alien bases under these rocks for all we know.
Yeah. Radar enforced.
Radar.
That's what the sign is. Trust the sign.
It's the same as putting up security camera signs when you don't really have security cameras. Well, my lasers do.
Laser alert. Lock signal stored.
Damn aliens. It's going to be a decent climb back, but the car should handle it no problem.
Yeah,
It's not a real steep climb, but it's very persistent. Stay in your lane, boy.
but they keep curving it around. I'm going to have way too many pictures. I sense it.
No such thing.
Laser.
You just pick your faves and delete the others.
Yeah, well, I rarely do anything. That's why
some more of the limestone. Greenish color weirdness.
Oh,
What's that? Oh, wow.
that's pretty.
Sure is. I think they got some kind of communication tower up there. Alright, I'll need the signs because she hasn't been talking to me lately. Furnace Creek, another mile. Visitor Center, 2 miles. I don't think that sign's big enough, but it is. Oh, what's this?
What is
It's
this?
like a hotel or an inn.
Tell us.
What is it in? Death Valley Inn? Good name for it.
Sure. Badwater Road.
Okay, we're at sea level right now. How cool is that? We're at sea level and we're going
Oh,
down
yay.
into the abyss. See the white?
Yeah, I
Almost
do.
like the salt flats
Yeah, it is.
type thing. That's how I've remember the pictures I've seen it. That's where the actual official temperatures are kept down here at Furnace Creek, I believe. That's their official hottest place in the country in the summer. One of the hottest in the world, too. Some places in the Middle East are hotter. But they're able to grow trees still.
Sure looks
If they
it.
can get enough water.
Maybe there's something underground that the tree roots have located.
Yep. There's some campgrounds over there to the right. I see some RVs parked over there, so there's
Oh, yeah.
probably some campgrounds.
Yeah.
Furnace Creek elevation minus 190. There's a cop. So what's this? Oh, it's the ranch of Death Valley. Or if he gets many speeders coming around that corner, he probably does.
In 1,000 feet, turn left onto Airport Road.
Airport road.
Alright. This is Airport Road. Doesn't say. Nope, it's the next one. So you can get gas. Oh my god, $4.89 a gallon.
Wow.
Oh, we still are in California.
Well, that's true.
Turn left onto Airport Road, then turn right.
Okay. Furnace Creek visitor.
Turn right, then your destination will be on the right.
Thank you, Mommy. What would we do without her, huh?
I don't know. I get lost all the time. So. I think it's helpful.
Your destination is on the right.
Alright, we're going to end this video here, everybody. I hope you enjoyed it. We're at the visitor centers and we're going to go in and check it out and probably buy some stuff. And
Oh, yeah.
even though it's not particularly hot, I'm going to park in the shade if I can. Oh, no, looks like I can't. Go ahead.
No.
Go ahead. Go, Mr. Crosswalk. All right, y'all have a great weekend.
Bye.